$1 that tomorrow there'll be sun. Just thinking about tomorrow clears away the cobwebs and the sorrow till there's none. When I'm stuck with a day that's gray and lonely, I just stick out my chin and grin and say, the sun will come out tomorrow, so you gotta hang on till tomorrow. Come what may, tomorrow, tomorrow, I love you, and tomorrow, you're always a day away.
We just stop for a second. Can you sing the very first line of the song for me, Al? The sun will come out tomorrow. Can you sing that a cappella for me, please?
The sun will come out tomorrow.
Okay, let's sing it a little bit quieter, okay? That pronunciation was very good then. I was very happy with tomorrow then, okay? So let's sing it a little bit quieter. So it's, the sun will come out tomorrow. So sing it a little bit quieter for me.
The sun will come out tomorrow.
All right, good, good. That was good. Now, this is a bit of a ballad here. So can you see yourself in the camera or in a mirror there where you are?
I mean, I can see myself in the camera, but it's like really small. I don't have a mirror in front of me though.
Okay, so when you practice this song, I want you to look into the mirror if you can. Your mouth is working a lot when you're doing this, which is making you sound hitting or dynamic. So you're going, the sun will come out tomorrow, like that. So that's what it sounded like. So your mouth can work like that, but Al, it's got to be smooth, okay? So it's got to be, the sun will come out tomorrow. Okay, so it's got to be smoother. Can you just sing that for us, Al, like that?
The sun will come out tomorrow.
Good, it's still a little bit hitting. You still went, the sun will come out tomorrow, like that. Do you hear the difference?
Yeah.
We've got to make it flow, okay? And we've got to make it flow. So it's, the sun will come out tomorrow. Make it flow like that. Don't hit the melody. The melody of a song, Al, is this. Na, 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 na. That's a melody. If I'm talking about a melody, don't hit those melody notes too hard, Al. Okay, sing that for us.
The sun will come out tomorrow.
Better. That was better. That was better. That was better. That's how we've got to sing a ballad. We haven't done a lot of ballads. A lot of your songs have been very bang, 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 bang. They've been very up-tempo. Exactly, yes. They've been like this, and it's different to singing a ballad. In the future, you know, we might do something like On My Own from Les Miserables in the future, but I'm not worried about it right now. But it starts off, on my own, pretending he's beside me. Starts off very smooth. Have you seen Les Mis, the movie? No, it's a really nice movie. Yeah, it's.
I'm not like it. I haven't really gone to the movies or watched many movies online, but I've seen it.
Have you seen Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory?
Yeah, I saw the musical, but not the movie.
Oh wow! You should see the movie. Have you seen The Sound of Music?
Yes.
The movie?
Yes, the movie.
Oh, excellent! That's fantastic. That's
Mary Poppins.
Yes, Mary Poppins. Excellent, good work. All right, now let's keep it going. Can you now sing for me the chorus? The sun will come out tomorrow, so you got to hang on until tomorrow. Come what may, tomorrow. Can you sing that just by yourself, Al, please?
am I thinking that?
It's the sun will come out tomorrow.
Oh, the sun will come out tomorrow, so you gotta hang on till tomorrow. Come what may.
Keep going.
Tomorrow. That's my pronunciation.
All right, yeah. Have I recorded something like that for you, Elle? Have I recorded a tomorrow scratch track?
I don't think so.
Okay, let's just do a little bit of work here. Okay, now I want tomorrow. We need the r in row. It's tomorrow. Just sing. I want the R, the row. Tomorrow. Your turn.
Tomorrow, I love you tomorrow.
All right, good. That was better. I don't want tomorrow. I don't know how you're doing it. Tomorrow, whoa. I don't want whoa. I need row. It's in the recording here.
Yeah.
I don't want whoa. It's row. Tomorrow. Just sing this for me, Al. Row. Sing that for me.
Row.
Good. Let's do it again. Sing that again for me.
Row.
Now say tomorrow with that at the end of it. Tomorrow. So tomorrow. Your turn.
Tomorrow.
That's it. That's how we have to do it. Okay. What I'll do is I will send you over a little scratch track for this. Okay. Let me just record this for you, Al. Okay, and then I will send this over to you. Okay, so give me 1 second. Okay. This is a scratch track for tomorrow. Have a listen to me. I just want you to go row. Say row. Make your mouth oval. I'll do it again. Row. Your turn. Now let's put that at the end of this here. It's tomorrow. Your turn. I'll do it again. Row. And again. Tomorrow. Your turn. Okay, did you get that, Al?
Yep, got it.
Excellent. Beautiful. All right, cool. So I just want you to practice that a little bit, okay? It's not too bad. I'm pretty happy with that there. Now, Al, as well too, do you have these lyrics? Did I send you these lyrics over? Did you get those lyrics?
I think so, yeah. Let me just...
All right. We've got to make sure that we follow these lyrics here, Al, especially with the smiles at the end. So we've got to smile at the end of a few things. Lonely, chin, grin, say, particularly those there. Can you come in and sing that for me a cappella by yourself? When I'm stuck with a day that's grey and lonely. Okay, let's smile on day a little bit as well too. Al, can you sing that for me, please?
I'm stuck with a day that's grey and lonely. I just stick on my chin and grin and say.
Good. Make sure we just have a little bit more smile on say, and I want you to make sure you put a bit of a cry into that say if we can, okay? Al, how many cries do you have? One cry? Wah? That's all you've got, yeah?
Wah.
All right, good. I'm probably going to give you another cry next week. Okay, I want you to have 2 because they're so important with the songs that you're doing. But next week, I'm not going to worry about that. And that was better. Your mouth placements were a lot better then. Okay. Can you sing now? The sun will come up tomorrow. So you've got to hang on till tomorrow. Come what may. Nice big smile on May for me, Al. And love. I want you to smile on love. So just in this section here, smile on May and smile on love for me. Okay. Let's go from the sun will come out tomorrow. So you've got to hang on till tomorrow. Come what? Smile. Okay. The sun will come out tomorrow, so you gotta hang on till tomorrow. Come what may.
Okay. The sun will come out tomorrow, so you gotta hang on till tomorrow. Come what may.
Okay, hear me. Come, come. Just sing that for me. It's a bit high. Come.
Come,
That's it. Come what may. Your turn.
come what may.
That's better. Let's go back from the top. Al, can you just do that from the top there of the sun will come out tomorrow? So you got to hang on until tomorrow.
The sun will come out tomorrow, so you gotta hang on till tomorrow. Come what may.
That come just got to be a little bit higher, Al. I'm going to send you over a photo of these lyrics here again. I've done a couple more smiley faces. Okay. Just make sure that come just is a little bit higher for me, okay? I'm going to work on that more next week. You did very, very well, Al. Okay. Very happy with that. Your pitching's a lot better than what it was when it first started. And we'll continue next week.